So I was about to ask you about the promotions and all. So just give me a second. I'll try to open a graphic so that it becomes really easy for people to understand what we are trying to explain. So just give me a minute. Maybe I'm able to do it. Yeah, I think viewers will be able to see that.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So just like I think the graphic very clearly says, I think we all know about, because recently they happened 2 exams for AO. So we all know that AO is there, and AO it directly reports to an APFC. Upon that, you have RPFC grade 2. Now, recently, I think this decision has been taken that there would be an interoperability between RC2 and APFC. So I'll tell you the advantage of that also, I think, in a moment. Then they report to RPFC grade 1. Then this particular, they are basically the officer in charges of various regional offices. Then you have additional central commissioners. Then you have additional central commissioners headquarters. And then the head of the organization is a central provident fund commissioner, who's generally an IAS officer.